If the Face ID is not working or if it is unavailable on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just clean the Face ID area with a soft cloth because sometimes dirt and oil might build up on the Face ID sensors which might cause this issue. Also remove any screen protector which you have applied because the screen protector you have applied might not be compatible with your iPhone. Also, if the screen protector is compatible with your iPhone, just check if there is any dirt trapped in between the Face ID sensor and the screen protector. If there is, just remove the screen protector and clean the Face ID area and check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next step. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Face ID and passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode and make sure that all of these options are enabled. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then under the Face ID and passcode settings, just tap on Reset Face ID. Now, after you do that, you will remove your Face ID. After that, just tap on Set up Face ID. Now, just follow the instructions on the screen to set up your Face ID. Just place your face in the camera frame, then move your face around as it is shown in this animation. Just tap on Get Started. Now just scan your face using Face ID. On this screen, just select Setup Later. Then tap on Done. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone to fix the software glitch. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the Face ID sensors on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Face ID is not working or not available on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.